Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create easy, adorable and durable natural hairstyle for kids using rubber bands. This video is packed with tips and tricks for achieving salon quality looks without the hassle. So what are you waiting for? Create some rubber bands magic with me. Also, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. For now, bye.